So we're going to talk about greeting parents in the nursery today. So over here, we're going to show who the teacher is, who the helper is, and who the lesson is. So just make sure that we have this on every Sunday. And parents, that brings a lot of comfort to parents, knowing who's with their kids and what lesson they're doing. We also have this note here for parents. So what it says on here is we're partners in growth with the parent. We're partnering with them. We're not trying to take over. We're trying to help with their spiritual growth with the parents. What you want to ask for with parents, you want to make sure that you ask about any needs or allergies. So that's over here on number 2. So this is kind of a little sheet if you get lost or forget. Make sure you ask about what their kids can eat, if they take a bottle at a certain time, if there's any other needs that we should know about their child. This is especially important with a new child. And then we also have safety. It's our primary concern with the children. We have these windows put in, so if a parent would like to watch their child for a little bit and make sure that they're comfortable, they can kind of watch for a little bit and make sure their child is having a good time and settling down. It can be a little daunting for a parent to drop off a baby for the first time, so we want to make them as comfortable as possible. If the parent would like to sit with their child for the first 10, 15, 20 minutes and then try to leave, even for the first couple weeks to get the child comfortable, we encourage that. Even if they sit with them for a little bit, get them comfortable and maybe take them into service and then wait until they're a little bit more accustomed to the room and the environment, we encourage that. Parents are the primary caregivers. They know what is best for their child. And we kind of have about a 10-minute rule on crying. So we are not going to indefinitely let a child cry in the classroom. So when we do have those new parents, make sure, and even existing parents, make sure that we have their phone number. And we will either text the parent if their child is inconsolable, or we will have one of the helpers go and get the parent, and then the parent can be reunited with the child and go into the designated nursing room. So make sure, especially if it is a new parent, that we're making some of these rules clear. And if we ask a lot of questions to the parent about the child, greet the parents, make sure that you get their name, you get their child's name, and that we are very attentive to the needs of the child. So